How often do you think about the nutritional value of your meals? Do you consider the health benefits of the ingredients you use? It's essential to remember that every morsel of food we consume carries an impact. Healthy eating habits are integral to our overall well-being. Preparing meals at home allows us to control what goes into our food, ensuring a balanced diet rich in various nutrients. So, let's embrace home cooking and its myriad benefits. In today's video, we will guide you through preparing a nutritious meal at home. Creating a healthy meal doesn't have to be complicated. All you need is a good plan. So let's take a journey together through the process of preparing a nutritious and delicious meal from start to finish. Our first step is choosing a balanced recipe. This is a crucial part of the process as the recipe lays the foundation for your meal. Look for recipes that boast a variety of nutrients, colors, and flavors. Consider those that include a good mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Next, we move on to shopping for fresh ingredients. Your shopping list should be your roadmap, guiding you through the aisles of your grocery store. Start in the produce section, where you'll find a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. These are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Remember to choose a variety of colors to maximize the range of nutrients. Then, head over to the meat and seafood section for your protein. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and fish are excellent choices. If you're vegetarian or vegan, tofu, lentils, and chickpeas are fantastic protein-rich substitutes. Also, don't forget to add some whole grains to your cart. These are a great source of fiber and will help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Now let's talk about healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are all great sources. They not only add flavor to your meals, but also provide essential fatty acids that our bodies need. As we continue our shopping journey, be mindful of the products that contain added sugars and saturated fats. These can often be found in processed foods and should be limited in a balanced diet. Once you've gathered all your ingredients, it's time to start preparing your meal. This is where the magic happens. Use your chosen recipe as a guide and enjoy the process. Remember, cooking should not be a chore but a joyful experience. Chop, sauté, bake, or grill, whatever your recipe calls for. As you're cooking, take a moment to appreciate the beautiful symphony of colors and aromas filling up your kitchen. And don't forget the most important ingredient of all, love. Pour it generously into your cooking, and it will reflect in the taste of your dish. Finally, take a moment to appreciate your creation before digging in. Look at the colors, smell the aroma, and savor each bite. Remember, mindful eating is a big part of a healthy lifestyle. And voila, you have prepared a healthy, delicious meal. Now let's share some tips to make your meal preparation even easier and healthier. First, plan and prepare your meals in advance. This not only saves time, but also ensures you're eating nutritious foods. Second, incorporate a rainbow of vegetables into your dishes for a wide array of nutrients. Lastly, opt for whole grains over refined ones. They're packed with fiber and keep you feeling full longer. With these tips, you can make your meal preparation process more efficient and enjoyable. So, there you have it, a simple guide to preparing a healthy meal at home. We've walked through the steps, from selecting nutritious ingredients to the cooking process itself. We've also shared tips to make the preparation easier and more fun. The key is to keep it simple, focus on variety, and remember that every meal is a chance to nourish your body. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, and happy cooking!